Hi, this is BB with the MyFishCount team. This tutorial will show you how to create a profile in MyFishCount. First, you're going to download the app and then click to open it. This screen will ask you to either enter your username and password if you've already created your profile, or to create a new account. So we will select create a new account. For my username, I'm going to try SAFMC for South Atlantic Fishery Management Council app user. I will try a password in the next spot. And then I will re-enter that password. Scrolling down to contact information now. First name, we are going to say our first name is SAFMC. Done. Last name is going to be app user. Our email address is SAFMC app user 2020 at yahoo.com. Mobile phone, we will put 843-123-4567. Done. For my zip code, I will enter 29466. It will ask you then to accept the privacy policy. If you would like to view the policy, you can select View Policy, then Submit. At that point, your registration is successful. Keep a log of your username and password so that you may log in. So our username was SAFMC app user. I will enter my password. Then I'll select Done. And there you have it. Once you are able to create your profile, this is the screen you will use to start a new trip. And there you have it. So don't forget to log your trips. Follow the MyFishCount team on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you so much for using MyFishCount.